The Buzzing Bee presents Restaurant Glossary. In this video, we will understand some common terms that we hear at a restaurant. We would also understand their meanings and their usage in a sentence. Restaurant, a place with a kitchen and dining area where people pay to eat meals. For example, there are many Thai and Japanese restaurants around here. Cafe or a coffee shop, an informal restaurant serving simple meals plus hot and cold drinks. For example, is there an all night cafe around here? Cafeteria, also canteen, a place that sells low cost meals in a school or workplace, usually from a self service counter. For example, how is the food in the school cafeteria? Manager, a person responsible for controlling or administering an organization or a team of employees. For example, I would like to speak to the manager, please. Menu, the list of foods and drinks served in a restaurant, cafe, hotel, etc. For example, let's check the menu before deciding to eat here. Bill, it is also called check in some countries. The written amount you must pay for a meal and drinks. For example, after having your meal, you can ask the waiter, "Can we have the bill, please?" Or, while presenting, the waiter may say, "Here is your bill, sir." Booking, an arrangement made with the restaurant to eat there at a particular time. For example, I would like to book a table for 4 at 7 p.m. please. Buffet, a meal consisting of several dishes from which guests serve themselves. For example, the dinner will be served buffet style. A la carte, according to a menu. For example, dining includes a choice of buffet and a la carte. What would you prefer, sir? Chef. A chef is someone trained professionally in the art of food preparation and cooking. For example, try this new dish created by our head chef. Barista. A barista is a person who prepares and serves espresso-based coffee drinks in a coffee shop. For example, she works as a barista at a local coffee shop. Waiter, if it's a male, or waitress for a female, a person who takes orders from guests and bring their food. You can use it in a sentence like, "Have you ever been a waiter?" Or asking the manager, "Can you call the waiter, please?" Cuisine, a country or region style of cooking. For example, there's more to Indian cuisine than curries, you know. Course, one part of a meal. For example, French meals usually include 3 or 4 courses. A 3-course meal begins with an appetizer, followed by the main course and the dessert. In a 4-course meal, a bowl of soup is also served in the beginning. Main course. The main course is a primary dish in a meal consisting of several courses. It most often follows an appetizer, soup, or salad and is often followed by a dessert. For example, what would you like to have for the main course? Soup, a liquid dish typically savory and made by boiling meat, fish, vegetables, etc. in stock or water. For example, she told him to stop slurping his soup. Appetizer, a dish that's eaten before the main course. Let's see the usage in a sentence. For an appetizer, I will have spring rolls, please. Beverage, it is a drink other than water. For example, tea is the most widely consumed beverage in the world. Dessert, sweet food eaten at the end of a meal. The usage in the sentence can be, you love desserts, don't you? Pudding, a soft sweet food eaten as a dessert. For example, my grandma used to make the best chocolate pudding ever. Pasta, Italian food made from flour and water, such as spaghetti, ravioli, lasagna, etc. You may hear this commonly at a restaurant, like the server may ask you, you can order any of our pasta dishes as an appetizer if you want. Savory, food belonging to the category that is salty or spicy rather than sweet. The usage in a sentence can be, most appetizers are savory dishes. Some examples of savory dishes can be a taco, pizza, or a pasta, and of course many more. Side dish, an extra dish or serving that's ordered together with the main dish. For example, at a restaurant, you may tell the server, I'll have the steak with a side dish of potato salad, please. Some examples of side dishes could be mashed potatoes, a fruit salad, or of course our favorite French fries. Today's special, extra dishes cooked on a particular day which are not present on the menu otherwise. For example, today's special is pasta with chicken and vegetables. At a restaurant, you may also ask the server, what is today's special? Vegetarian, dishes or diets that don't include animal products, especially meat. For example, my doctor says I should switch to a vegetarian diet. Ingredient, something that enters as an element into a mixture. The usage in a sentence can be, sugar is the main ingredient in a sweet dish. Napkin, a square piece of cloth or paper used at a meal to wipe the fingers or lips and to protect garments. For example, she unfolded her napkin and put it on her lap. Cutlery, forks, knives, and spoons used for eating and serving food. Some common sentences at a restaurant can be, may I have the cutlery please? Or they use the finest cutlery in their restaurant. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Please click on like, share it with your friends, and do drop us a line in the comment section.